осматривать. Мы не хотим, чтобы эти саркасы подкрались к нам, пока мы едим или еще что.
Ну же, перестань, не волнуйся. Я никуда не ухожу. Вы все моя семья. Я защищу вас от братьев Саркас. А когда мои детки подрастут, они тоже вас защитят.
Where is he? I am through with that one-eyed weasel. He's gonna need 2 eye patches.
I admire your bloodthirstitude, Gertie, but you heard them. An asteroid is coming. This changes things.
Holy snowballs, it's freezing up here. Parts are retracting into other parts.
Would you please stop acting like a parakeet?
It's a good thing you got your mother's eyes, or you'd be totally useless.
Well, that's just hurtful.
What do you see?
Nothing. Nothing. Deadly
Mr. Ring
asteroids
Rock.
towards Earth.
Wait, there he is.
That's too bad. He is really far away. Probably too far to reach by flight. Oh well, let's just go home.
We are not retreating. Until that weasel came along, our family made an honest living stealing dino eggs.
An honest living, stealing. Kind of ironic, don't you think? Besides, why take out the weasel if the asteroid's just gonna take us out?
So much sight, so little vision. If we stop the weasel and his friends from diverting the asteroid, kablooey! It kills the weasel and everyone else while we glide safely above it all. It'll be our paradise.
That seems highly implausible. Just from a scientific standpoint. Fine. It's a great plan. Dynamite! One of the top 3 or 4 species annihilation plans I've ever heard.
That's better. Now let's make sure that asteroid hits.
Why can't we just fear the apocalypse like a normal family?
Они совсем на тебя не похожи.
Они красивые, и они вырастут большими и сильными, как их мать. А вы все кыш. Моим деткам надо поспать. Уходи.